Group 19 projects. We worked on alarm using FPGA board. So we have to kind of incorporate an external circuit with the FPGA board. The external circuit sends a signal to the FPGA board. Now the external circuit, this is the external circuit. The external circuit is actually made up of a sensor and some combinations of resistors and a buzzer. So the sensor senses a signal, and when it senses a signal, the buzzer is being activated, likewise the LED, and the FPGA board turns on. But when it does not sense any signal, that is, the FPGA board remains at off state just as it is on off state. But when it senses a signal, it changes from off state to what? On state. So that's what our project does. So how can we use this project? Like, what are the areas where we can apply this project? We can apply it in security system, like securing some item like diamond, gold, precious item, or some expensive jewelries. We can use it to preserve them, whereby when there is interruption between the sensor and the light, there will be a light, there will be sensor and there will be light. So when there's interruption between the sensor and the light, the circuit gives out an alarm, whereby alerting the people around that there's an intruder or someone wants to pick the item being secured. As you can see, when there is interference between the light and the sensor, the FPGA comes on and the buzzer gives out an alarm, just as I want to demonstrate now. So we can see that the FPGA board is now on. Just as the alarm is sounding, it's now on. If I remove my hand, for instance now, when there is no interruption now, it comes off. So now coming to the limitation of our project, actually the project depends on light. Like, light has to be available for the security alarm to be activated. And another thing is, the sensor we use cannot be used for a large scale. That's, you want to use the system in a large scale, so the sensor cannot be used in a large scale. It has to be replaced. Thank you.